Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Lye Soap Bars is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning agents you can bring into your home, offering a powerful yet natural solution for a multitude of tasks, from tackling stubborn laundry stains to providing a deep clean for your household surfaces, all while being gentle on the environment and often your skin, making it a timeless choice for conscious consumers seeking efficacy and simplicity in their cleaning routines. Number 5. Lume Triple Milled Bar Soap, Lavender Sage. Indulge your skin with a luxurious lather that deeply moisturizes. Our soap provides a rich, creamy feel for ultimate hydration. Enjoy a gentle yet effective cleanse that respects your skin's natural balance. It washes away impurities without stripping essential moisture. Rest assured, our formula is free from parabens and phthalates. It's crafted to be safe and kind to all skin types. Awaken your senses with the calming aroma of lavender and the subtle earthiness of sage. This delightful fragrance transforms your daily routine. Each bar is triple milled for superior quality and longevity. You get a generous 5 ounces of premium soap in every bar, with a convenient pack of 4. What we like? This bar offers a luxurious, moisturizing cleanse that's incredibly gentle on your skin. It's free from parabens and phthalates, making it a safe choice for everyday use. If you prioritize a rich, hydrating lather and a clean ingredient list, this is the bar for you. What people say. This soap is great for sensitive skin and leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. The unscented bar is perfect for those who are sensitive to fragrances. It lathers well and rinses clean, without leaving any residue. Number 4. ZOMCHI Exfoliating Soap Bags. Tired of mushy soap bars? Discover a better way to cleanse and exfoliate. These bags transform your bar soap into a rich lather. Stop wasting soap scraps. Our soap saver bags hold your bar securely, allowing it to dry between uses and last much longer. Experience a luxurious shower. Just add water and rub the bag to create a thick, creamy foam that cleanses effectively. Achieve smoother, softer skin with every wash. The textured material gently buffs away dead skin cells for a radiant complexion. Use them daily in the shower or bath. They're the ideal accessory for a spa-like experience at home. Crafted from durable materials, these bags are designed for long-term use. Simply rinse and hang to dry after each use. What we like? This accessory enhances your bar soap experience with deep exfoliation and rich lather. It helps extend the life of your soap by keeping it dry between uses. If you want to maximize your soap's potential and enjoy a more invigorating clean, this is a must-have. What people say. I like that there's 2 bags with 2 different roughness levels. My skin felt really clean after using the bag, not oily at all. The enjoyable experience actually makes you want to shower more often. The material is soft enough for daily use, yet has just the right amount of texture to gently exfoliate without being harsh on the skin. It leaves me feeling smooth, refreshed, and super clean after every shower. Number 3. The Natural Soap Making Book for Beginners. Unlock the secrets to creating beautiful, all-natural soaps right at home. This book is your perfect guide to getting started. Learn to incorporate the goodness of herbs, spices, and essential oils into your creations. Make soaps that are as good for you as they are beautiful. Designed with beginners in mind, this guide breaks down the process into easy-to-follow steps. You'll be making your own soaps in no time. Elevate your self-care routine with handmade soaps that are free from harsh chemicals. Explore endless possibilities with natural ingredients. Begin your creative journey into the world of natural soap making today. This book provides all the knowledge you need to succeed. What we like? Unlock your creativity with this guide to making your own natural soaps. It provides all the knowledge you need to craft soaps using herbs, spices, and essential oils. If you're looking for a rewarding hobby and want complete control over your soap's ingredients, this book is your starting point. What people say. This soap is great for sensitive skin and leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. The unscented version is perfect for those who are sensitive to fragrances. It lathers well and rinses clean, without leaving any residue. Number 2. AMVital Turmeric Soap Bar. Introducing AMVital Turmeric Soap Bar, your natural solution for clearer, smoother skin. It's perfect for both face and body. Struggling with blemishes and uneven tone? This handmade soap is formulated to gently address acne and dark spots, revealing a more radiant complexion. Our natural turmeric soap is suitable for everyone. Experience its benefits regardless of your skin type, as it cleanses and nourishes. Crafted by hand with the power of turmeric, this bar soap offers a natural approach to skincare. Enjoy the purity of natural ingredients. This versatile turmeric body bar works wonders on both your face and body. Achieve smooth, healthy-looking skin all over. Designed for both men and women, this turmeric soap is a simple yet effective addition to any skincare routine. It helps promote a balanced and healthy skin appearance. What we like? Harness the power of turmeric for clearer, brighter skin with this handmade bar. It's designed to combat acne and reduce the appearance of dark spots. If you're dealing with skin imperfections and seeking a natural solution for a smoother complexion, this bar is an excellent choice. What people say? Has helped my acne on my legs too. Scent is a home run too, not too powerful but fresh and noticeable. My face is so incredibly soft. I use this soap in the morning followed by moisturizer with sunscreen and again at night followed by a night creme. The smell is mild and goes away when you rinse it off. The bar is smaller than a normal bar of soap but a little goes a long way. Excellent for sensitive skin and blemish correction. The citrus scent is very refreshing and the soap lathers well. Number 1. Skin Said Yes Goat Milk Soap Bar. Discover the gentle touch of our luxurious goat milk soap bars. Crafted with care and grease, they offer a natural and organic cleansing experience. Formulated with nourishing goat milk, these soaps are ideal for sensitive skin. They provide a gentle yet effective clean for everyone. Explore a variety of 4 unique scents designed to delight your senses. Each bar offers a distinct and refreshing aroma. This all-natural soap is perfect for kids, men, and women alike. It's a gentle choice for the entire family's daily skincare routine. Indulge in the goodness of goat milk. Experience a soap that truly cares for your skin, leaving it feeling soft and revitalized. Each package contains 8 bars of our premium goat milk soap. Enjoy a long-lasting supply of natural, organic skincare. What we like? Experience the nourishing benefits of goat milk, perfect for even the most sensitive skin types. This bar is crafted with natural, organic ingredients to gently cleanse and hydrate. If you have delicate skin or are looking for a mild, moisturizing soap suitable for the whole family, this is an ideal option. What people say? This soap is great for sensitive skin and leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. The unscented bar is perfect for those who are sensitive to fragrances. It lathers well and rinses clean, without leaving any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.